What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing a tutorial on how to create this double exposure over here. It's really simple and easy. You can create it from all the old photos you already have stored in your computer. So let's get into Photoshop right away. Alright guys, so for this tutorial I'm going to be using these two images, one of my friend of Rio and one of the Seattle Great Wheel. I highly suggest one of the photos be a cityscape or a landscape and the other of a portrait converted to black and white, so the cityscape or landscape photo can be seen. If you don't have a portrait to work with, take a photo of yourself and make it into a black and white. Alright, so this is going to be really simple. Let's start with the cityscape shot. Duplicate the image by pressing Command J or Control J on Windows. Click on the Move tool or press V. Press on the image and bring it to the portrait shot. Line it up and let it go and adjust to your liking. Click on the blending options and choose which blending mode works best for you. I tend to choose Lighten because that works best with my images. And that does it, easy as that. Now you can move around the photo to place it where needed be, and in this scenario place it at the center of the wheel on his right eye. Alright guys, that does it for this tutorial. If you guys make any double exposures, make sure to tag me on Instagram or use the hashtag #FullYourCreativity, and I might just upload it on my Instagram stories. Alright guys, that's going to do it for this tutorial. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't done so. And also remember to always follow your creativity. Take care.